Anyways, I hope you guys can hear me, but I have a bus coming in about 4 minutes on the timer over there. I don't know why you can't see it. So today I'm going to talk about moving to the UK as a content creator. So if you're coming to the UK first as a student, you're coming with a Tier 4 visa. That means you'll be taking sponsorship from the uni, and so you know what that means. And in UK here, they take education so serious. Like, you have to be going to school always, every day. Like, so this morning, Monday, I planned on making a video of maybe I could just come out on the road, stand, take videos of supercars, and you know, but that's not the case here. So the case is, I got a letter from my university that I have not been in school for about 2 weeks. 2 weeks, just 2 weeks. And my main purpose of never coming to school is because accommodation issues here is quite stressful. So I haven't really I just got a place, so I was like setting it up. So it took me, let's say, about 2 weeks, and also I took out of the time for myself, you know. It's quite easy. I won't say it's not easy, it's easy. But the thing is, you have to be ready to schedule yourself. You need to know what time you do this, what time you do that, because right now I'm at the bus park waiting for the bus so I can head to school and meet up with my school manager. Yeah, so because I think my bus is here, I have to move, you know. Post office? Sorry. Post office.
Which post office?
Oh my days. 9 wells, I think it's saying 9 wells.
9 wells. Just a single, one way.
Okay, one way. $2.45?
Yes, 45. Try again.
Alright.
Just take the ticket.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Bob. Oops. Ah, cool. Again. Damn it. Alright, so we're on board now, and I kind of like hit my head on the rooftop because I forgot I'm tall. So the second part of this video is going to be when I'm out of this bus. As you can see, it's quite shaky and my hand is not stable. I'm not a gimbal. But let me show you guys the view from the top of the bus. Okay. Alright, so guys, I'm waiting for my college manager to come, and guy, shut up. This is supposed to be where she sits, or he, I don't know. I think this is where he is supposed to sit. Yeah. So I'm waiting. You've got to get better nonsense now. Alright, so guys, I think I should just round this up here because I have a class in. I just got my timetable in about 30 minutes. So, okay, like I was saying, I can't even remember where I stopped, but I know I was telling you guys about how it's not difficult. It's just you putting your time right. You just need to write out 24 hours and look into your timetable. If I'll be in school for 5 hours, cool. I need to come back home and create content, fine. That's what you should be looking at. You should have like a more precise schedule, you know. Like if you were playing before, just know now you're not playing. You just know that things got serious. So that's it. There's no much big deal about it. So I'm here now. I have classes till like 5, and when I'm done with my classes, I go home, then I create my content. So that's why I have not been online, and that's why I've not been creating content for a while now. So I've been trying to like set a lot of things in place with the accommodation issues I've been having, but everything's all good now. I've got to my place, so we're ready to kick off. So I need to move to my class right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new here, subscribe. If you're not here for the first time, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.